Hi there, good people. It's another day full of Franciscan activity, and today we begin in Ecuador with the annual Delegation Assembly. The friars of the Delegation of St. Anthony in Ecuador had their annual assembly. This delegation was founded by the province of St. Maximilian, Colby. Where were they from? Take a guess. From Poland, from Gdańsk. And it was celebrated at the Santa Marta Bernarda House of Spirituality, run by the Franciscan Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians in Quito, Ecuador. They first thanked God for their vocations, and then for every friar whom Providence calls to the current challenges and current activities. God bless them as they live near the equator in Ecuador. Did you know that? It's a good thing you listen. God bless them. Doing a marvelous job.